Hey, hello plant lovers. Today I am going to show you how to increase flowers on your plant or how to get more and more number of flowers on your plant. So I will tell you the secrets. Stay tuned. So here we are having hibiscus plant. It is also known as jaswanda. So you are seeing here there are many flowers on this plant. These are violet color variety, okay, and there are many more flowers to come. You can see. I will show you closer look afterwards. Okay, so many times you must be observing. You take plant, you bring a plant from nursery, and after a few weeks flowers get dropped down, and next flowerings we don't get flowering. Okay, plant eventually get die. So the secret of the nurseryman or my secret for getting this much of flowering, I will tell you. That is a easy 3 methods you have to follow. That is a secator for pruning, or you can have just a normal scissor also. Okay. And secondly, our special organic manure, and last one, that is the best one, and that is more essential. That is the enzyme. Yes, I will tell you all the uses of these, okay, by one. So watch our full video for the information. So the first step I am going to tell you is about pruning. Pruning is not a big term, it is just a cutting of branches. Okay, this is a 1-year-old plant and it is having good structure or good spread. Okay, so that is because of pruning. If you can see, I have cut down the main stem earlier, and it increases the lateral growth of the plants. Okay, if you not prune this, it will goes on increasing in a height, or you won't get any flowering. So pruning is an important thing you must follow. After flowering, after flowers get dropped down, you have to cut branch 1 inch below the flower bud. Okay, I will repeat. You have to cut the branch after flower get dropped down 1 inch below the flower bud. Second most important thing is providing nutrition to your plant. Yes, flowers are babies of this plant, so babies require nutrition to grow. Yes, so you have to provide proper nutrition to your plant. For that, we recommend you, this is a SUBG Life special organic manure. Okay, this is not a just organic manure, it is mixed with the biofertilizers. Video on biofertilizers we will soon update, but short description of biofertilizer is, it is a living bacteria, so it will enhance the bacterial activities on your, in your soil, and more nutrients will uptake by roots. Okay, so this is a special SUBG Life organic manure which is mixed with biofertilizers. So we highly recommend to use that. So you, for this, you will get you can purchase this from our website. The link for our website is given in the description box. Go through it. Now I am going to show you how to add compost or organic manure to your plants. Before adding organic manure to your plants, you have to lose soil around the plant. So make a ring around your plant. So I am making one ring, or you can just lose the soil around the main stem. Okay, don't damage the main stem. Okay, so as I am showing you, make one ring about 1 to 2 inch in depth. You have to make a ring. So, or just lose the soil around main stem. Okay, so as you can see, I have loosed all the soil around plant without disturbing main stem. Then you have to take SUBG Life special organic manure. This is a mix with a biofertilizer. Okay, this is our product. You can get from our website. Description link is in the description box. Take some amount of organic manure in your hand and add in that ring. Add around the plant. Don't put on the main stem or on a plant, okay, on leaves, because nutrients are going to absorb by the roots, not by the stems. So avoid adding organic manure onto main stem. So provide manure around the plant or on a ring which we have made. After adding organic manure, close that ring or mix the organic manure with the soil which we have loosed. So the reason behind loosening of soil is to mix the organic manure properly with soil. The importance of loosening soil is, if you don't lose soil, or if you don't mix manure properly with soil, it will get evaporate in air, so you won't get anything, or your plant won't get anything nutrient from it. So this is a proper way. Till now we have given nutrition to our plants, but what about flowering? Yeah, that is the main reason we are making this video. We have to give a special nutrient or a specific nutrient which required for flowering. Yes, that is a potassium. Yes guys, potassium is very much required nutrient for getting flowers. And how to add this? You get potassium from this our organic manures also, but the potassium requirement is more for flowering. So for that we are going to use these enzymes. This is a banana enzyme. How to prepare enzymes I will show you on our next video, so stay tuned for that. So now I will show you how to add this enzyme to your plants. This is a banana enzyme. Banana peels are rich in potassium, so it will provide a perfect potassium nutrient to our plants, and it will increase flowering. So here you are seeing the flowering. The reason behind is the potassium enzyme, that is banana enzyme. So this is a 1 liter of enzyme. I'm just opening it, and after mixing manure, this is important. After mixing the manure, you don't water it with the enzyme, then only you will get results. Or if you don't have if you didn't add organic manure and you are just applying enzymes, so you won't get results. If you are so you have to add organic manure, and then you have to add enzymes, then only you will get this much flowering. So I am going to add half of liter of enzyme on our plant. So I am going to add half of liter around the plant. Okay, so it is, yeah, that's much is enough. So enzyme will provide potassium to your plants, so you will get more and more number of flowers and flower buds. So this is a main secret guys, enzyme and organic manure. You have to add both these to get more and more number of flowers in guys. Okay, so I have told you all these secrets regarding flowering, how to get more and more number of flowers onto your plants, how to increase flowering into your plant. So if you like our information, our products, let us know in our comment box, and don't forget to like our video. And yes, if you want more and more gardening tips about enzymes, about biofertilizers, about organic manure, you have to follow our channel, that is a SUBG Life, Sustainable Urban Balcony Gardening Life. So you have to follow for more and more gardening updates. So till now, bye bye friends. Thank you.